Hi everyone, and welcome to Classic Car Corner. In today's video, we're diving into 20 classic cars available on the marketplace for some seriously low prices. Stick around to see some fantastic deals.
Number 1.
The 1970 Cadillac Deville Coupe 2D is listed for $12,500 and offers a rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. This vehicle is all original with 80,000 miles and has been garage kept. The seller had it listed previously but removed it to participate in car shows. It is currently running and drivable, though the transmission has begun to leak due to deteriorating gaskets. Aside from that, the car is a strong runner and remains in beautiful condition. With other projects underway, the seller cannot afford to invest more into this Cadillac. It's a true head-turner and in great condition, making it difficult to find other Cadillacs like this on the market. The seller is looking for serious buyers only, with no room for low offers.
Number 2.
The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is listed for $43,500 and represents a meticulously restored and customized classic. This off-frame restoration includes a range of modern modifications, such as a 5.3-liter Gen VLT engine paired with a 4L60E transmission and a 9-inch Ford differential with 350 posy gears. It also features front power disc brakes and updated power steering for improved handling. The interior boasts leather power bucket seats with a custom console and floor shifter, along with a Dakota digital gauge cluster and vintage AC and heat. Additional upgrades include a stainless exhaust system, a station wagon bumper, a shave trunk, and an updated audio system that is Sirius-ready. All receipts for the restoration are available, and the modifications are fully documented, making this a one-of-a-kind classic Chevy for serious buyers.
Number 3.
The 1956 Chevrolet Classic 210 is listed for $24,500 and offers a well-preserved, original vehicle with only 2 owners. This car is very clean and has been repainted once, maintaining its classic appeal. Under the hood, it features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a power glide transmission. As an original, well-maintained vehicle, this Chevy 210 presents a unique opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a vintage car in excellent condition. The seller emphasizes its originality, making it an attractive option for those looking to own a piece of automotive history.
Number 4.
The 1948 Buick Super Custom Convertible is listed for $28,000 and is an impressive, custom-built classic. It features a powerful Buick 455 motor, paired with a GM 400 turbo automatic transmission. The car includes a front steering subframe and a newly rebuilt front end from 2022, offering smooth handling. Additional features include power steering, power brakes, power seats, power windows, electric door openers with poppers, and a power convertible top with a Hertz cloth. Custom touches like 1950 Pontiac taillights, an Impala rear end and coilover rear suspension add to its unique appeal. The previous owner kept the car for 30 years, maintaining it well. It starts, runs, and drives excellently, making this Buick a rare find for those looking for a well-maintained, custom classic.
Number 5.
The 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air is listed for $20,000 and offers a mix of classic style with modern upgrades. It's powered by a Chevy small block 305 engine paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring it runs and drives great. Recent updates include a new interior and striking rose gold paint, along with new halo headlights, a retro stereo system with speakers, and a new battery. The car also features new front and rear glass, bumpers, and a suspension kit. Additionally, it has retractable trunk antennas and currently sits on Datons with brand new Vogues, but the sale also includes Borghini rims as seen in the video. The seller is firm on the price and welcomes serious inquiries only. No trades.
Number 6.
The 1939 Buick Special 8 is listed for $18,500 and offers a rare chance to own a pre-war classic. Powered by a straight 8-cylinder engine, the car runs but may require a carburetor cleaning to achieve optimal performance. The seller does not specify the mileage. This Buick provides a solid foundation for someone looking to restore or enjoy a vintage vehicle, with its classic design and historical significance making it a standout choice for collectors.
Number 7.
The 1961 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is listed for $15,500 and presents a stylish, well-maintained classic. It's powered by the original 390 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission, running and driving smoothly. The car comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and a unique swing-away steering column. The body is in very good condition, with no rust and solid floors. It features a custom silver paint job with flames, complemented by the original red interior, which is in good overall condition. The car rides on 15-inch torque thrust wheels with good tires, and its dual exhaust system adds a nice rumble. With only 2,029 miles on the odometer, though the true mileage is unknown, this Thunderbird is ready for showing or cruising.
Number 8.
The 1953 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D is listed for $18,000 and is a standout vehicle with a unique style. Powered by a straight-six engine with a 3-on-the-column manual transmission, the car runs well and sounds solid. It has a fresh paint job featuring a patina look on the lower half, enhanced with chameleon flake and clear coat for a distinctive finish. This Bel Air is ready for its next outing and will be featured at CTC, making it an attractive option for those interested in a classic car with character and a custom aesthetic.
Number 9.
The 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air is listed for $11,999 and is a well-maintained classic that is sure to catch attention. Its sleek body lines, chrome accents, and iconic tail fins highlight its timeless design, while the turquoise exterior paint enhances its vintage appeal. Powered by a smooth-running six-cylinder engine, this Bel Air delivers plenty of power for cruising, whether around town or on the open road. The interior is equally impressive, with comfortable seating, a classic dashboard, and modern amenities for a comfortable ride. This Bel Air is ready to be driven and enjoyed by its next owner, offering a unique opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history that is likely to appreciate in value over time.
Number 10.
The 1970 Plymouth Sport Fury is listed for $13,500 and comes with its original 383 engine. Described as a James Dean Special, this car is ready for cruising, featuring factory AC, though currently not operational. The rare orange-on-orange interior and exterior give it a distinct look. The odometer reads 48,000 miles, but the true mileage is unknown, as the title lists mileage as exempt. The car runs and drives well, cruising smoothly at highway speeds. While the interior is usable, it could benefit from some restoration depending on the buyer's preferences. There is a small oil leak from the driver's side valve cover gasket, and minor rust behind the passenger wheel and quarter panel. This solid classic is available for serious buyers, and the seller is open to offers.
Number 11.
The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle is listed for $19,000, presenting an attractive option for collectors or enthusiasts of classic American muscle cars. This particular model features a 283 motor with matching numbers, maintaining its originality, and is paired with an automatic power glide transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The car is in well-preserved condition, showcasing its vintage charm while retaining its factory specifications. Though the seller does not provide detailed information on the interior or exterior condition, the price point and the fact that it's a matching numbers vehicle make it a noteworthy contender for anyone seeking a Malibu Chevelle in original form. With its solid reputation and classic appeal, this 1965 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle stands as a desirable piece of automotive history, especially for those seeking an authentic restoration or addition to a classic car collection. The price is firm, indicating that only serious inquiries should be made.
Number 12.
The 1959 Edsel Villager station wagon is listed for $28,000, offering a unique opportunity to own a rare classic that's been significantly upgraded. Under the hood is a rebuilt '69 Ford 429 big block engine, paired with a C6 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The vehicle also features a Wian Stealth aluminum intake manifold, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and Pertronix flamethrower distributor, enhancing both power and reliability. The wagon comes with modern conveniences such as power steering, power front disc brakes, and vintage air AC, which blows cold. The aluminum radiator with dual electric fans keeps it cool, even on long trips. All gauges, lights, turn signals, horn, and wipers are functional, making it as practical as it is stylish. The seller notes that the car cruises comfortably at 80 miles per hour, even with the AC running, and has recently completed an 800-mile road trip without issue. With a clean Texas title and a binder full of receipts dating back to the early 80s, this Edsel is ready for its next adventure. Located in Fort Worth, Texas, the seller is asking $28,000 or a reasonable offer, and is open to assisting with shipping.
Number 13.
The 1978 Pontiac Bonneville is listed for $12,000, showcasing a classic two-tone green exterior with unique features that make it stand out. The vehicle is equipped with a 301 engine, offering a reliable and smooth driving experience. Inside, the car features a sound system with 10/8-inch speakers, adding to its retro charm, and a sunroof for added comfort and style. The seller highlights that the vehicle also includes 8/12 speakers in the trunk, making it a solid option for those who enjoy cruising with quality sound. While additional details about the car's condition or mileage are not provided, its classic appeal and reasonable price make it an attractive choice for fans of vintage Pontiacs. At $12,000, this Pontiac Bonneville offers a mix of style and nostalgia, appealing to those seeking a well-maintained classic car with modern audio features.
Number 14.
The 1973 Buick Regal Limited Coupe 2D is listed for $5,200, making it an affordable option for those interested in a classic American coupe. Powered by a robust 455 engine, the car is noted for running and driving well, offering a reliable experience for potential buyers. While the seller does not provide extensive details about the car's condition, the mention of it being in good running shape suggests it's ready for the road. The seller is also open to reasonable trade offers, making this an attractive opportunity for those looking to acquire a classic vehicle without a large upfront investment. At $5,200, this 1973 Buick Regal Limited Coupe presents a solid value for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history with a powerful engine and classic styling.
Number 15.
The 1969 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D is listed for $2,500, offering a project car for classic car enthusiasts. It features a GS430 motor, but the vehicle currently does not run and will need to be towed. Despite this, the seller provides several new interior parts, including carpet, headliner, seatbacks, and weather stripping, which will be included in the sale. The car comes with both the rear seat and front electric seat, both in decent shape. The seller recalls driving the car extensively in the past and describes it as a fun vehicle to drive, highlighting its potential once restored. With a firm price of $2,500 and no trades accepted, this 1969 Buick Riviera could be an excellent restoration project for someone looking to bring a classic Buick back to life.
Number 16.
The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is listed for $17,000. Featuring the desirable split bumper design. It has undergone significant restoration, including new floor pans, trunk pan, and both front and rear quarter panels. Powered by a 350 engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, the car also comes equipped with a mild cam and a new carburetor, enhancing its performance. The Camaro now rides on Jegs SSR black rims, with 15 by 10 wheels on the rear and runners on the front, giving it a more aggressive stance. The seller is asking $17,000 or best offer and is open to trades for other classic cars, making this a great opportunity for anyone looking to own or exchange for a restored muscle car. This 1970 Camaro offers a blend of restored components and performance upgrades, making it a solid choice for classic car enthusiasts seeking both style and power.
Number 17.
The 1978 Chevrolet C10 is listed for $16,500, featuring a well-maintained square-body short-bed design. Powered by a 350 engine and 350 turbo transmission with a 12-bolt rear end, this truck is built for both performance and reliability. It boasts several upgrades, including new tires, a disc brake conversion, exhaust system, bed rails, fresh paint, and a revamped interior. The AC is ice cold, ensuring comfort while driving. The seller emphasizes that the truck runs, drives, and looks great, making it ready for the road. Open to trade offers, the seller welcomes trades up, down, or even for other classic cars or trucks, including project vehicles. Located in Alons, Tennessee, this 1978 Chevrolet C10 is an excellent option for those looking for a classic truck that's already equipped with modern upgrades and cold AC.
Number 18.
The 1971 GMC Sprint is listed for $26,500, featuring a freshly rebuilt 350 engine and 350 transmission. Equipped with GM bow tie heads, the vehicle runs strong and is paired with a 9-inch Ford rear end and a 3.25 posi traction differential. The Sprint also comes with a completely new suspension, including lowering springs, and rides on 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. Additionally, it has been upgraded with disc brakes all around, enhancing both performance and safety. The seller highlights that the car drives and handles exceptionally well, making it a great option for those who enjoy a powerful and smooth ride. The seller is open to trade offers, making this 1971 GMC Sprint a versatile choice for classic car enthusiasts looking to own a well-restored and upgraded vehicle.
Number 19.
The 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J is listed for $12,750 and presents a solid opportunity for both classic car collectors and project enthusiasts. With only 77,000 miles, the car features a 400 engine and an automatic transmission. According to the seller, it starts, runs, and drives well, making it a good candidate for a daily driver or a restoration project. The vehicle comes with stock rims included, maintaining its original aesthetic appeal. While the seller describes it as a nice driver/project, there's potential for further restoration to enhance its value and performance. At $12,750, this 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix offers a balance of classic styling and reliable mechanics, ideal for someone looking to own a piece of automotive history with room for customization or upgrades.
Number 20.
The 1970 Chevrolet Malibu is listed for $7,900 as a roller project car, ideal for someone looking to undertake a full restoration. The vehicle will require frame work, bodywork, and a drivetrain, offering a blank slate for customization. The sale includes a new front disc brake setup, adding value to the project. This Malibu is described as a hard-to-find project, making it an appealing option for classic car enthusiasts seeking a rare Chevrolet Malibu model to restore and personalize. At $7,900, this 1970 Chevrolet Malibu offers a solid starting point for a restoration project with significant potential once completed. We hope you enjoyed our roundup of affordable classic cars. If you did, don't forget to like the video and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.